Here we have our 184 final project, the two-tank system, option 3B. I'm Andrew, here with David and Abdur. And here we have tank A hooked up with a solenoid valve. And acting as tank B, we have a smaller scaled down cup with a guard insides to prevent splashing. Hooked up in tank B, we have a water temperature sensor and also a liquid level sensor to measure act as a switch when it hits a desired height threshold. The drip, it's acting more like a drip system for the outflow because we did not realize when we were speccing the parts that the valve is normally closed. So when it is acting inside the loop, telling it to remain open, it has to cycle through its closed state first, creating a drip-like output rather than a stream. The solenoid requires a diode to prevent current from going backwards, and also a transistor which can handle higher currents than the built-in Arduino components. And the one-wire temperature sensor uses a resistor as well. Here we have our output data. Level is taking the units output from the height sensor, displaying them here, and temperature displayed in Fahrenheit. Now we're just waiting for one of the two predetermined thresholds to be met to trigger the solenoid valve to shut off. Since the height sensor is above the bottom of the cup by about an inch, until it touches the sensor, we're going to have very low readouts of its height level. Now we see it started to touch it, so it's starting to increase rather rapidly than before. Now the valve has shut, and here on the display, it displays as at our threshold as we expect it to be.